Have you ever dreamed of finding a perfect tropical island, a place where warm waters and thrilling adventures are waiting just for you? Well, you can find that escape right in the middle of Orlando, Florida. It's called Volcano Bay, a water theme park that is part of the Universal Destinations and Experiences family. This isn't just any water park. It's a fully immersive world designed to make you feel like you've been whisked away to a Polynesian paradise. From the moment you step inside, you leave the everyday world behind. The sounds of the city fade, replaced by island music, the gentle rush of waterfalls, and the happy calls of people enjoying the sun and water. The park's designers wanted to create more than just a collection of slides. They wanted to tell a story of a mythical tribe, the Waturi. They found their perfect island, Volcano Bay. This story is woven into every detail, from the architecture of the buildings to the names of the rides. The centerpiece is Krakatau. It stands 200 feet tall, a breathtaking icon seen from everywhere. It's the heart of the park. Its presence makes Volcano Bay unforgettable. Walking through Volcano Bay feels like an exploration. You'll find winding paths, lush gardens filled with tropical plants, hidden corners that invite discovery. The park welcomed its first guests on May 25, 2017. It was built with modern technology and with a deep love for storytelling. It sits on 53 acres, every inch crafted to transport you. Families can make memories. Thrill seekers can find their next big challenge. Anyone can lay back on a sandy beach. What makes Volcano Bay stand out is this complete experience. It's not just about getting wet, it's about adventure and relaxation. The park is divided into 4 distinct villages: Village 1, Village 2, Village 3, Village 4. This layout helps you navigate your day. Located right at the base of the majestic Krakatau volcano is Wave Village, the social hub of the entire park. This is where you'll find the beautiful sandy shores of Waturi Beach, the park's main wave pool. This isn't just a gentle ripple pool, it's a multi-directional wave pool that generates strong, rolling waves, perfect for bobbing and splashing around. The sand is soft under your feet. Rows of lounge chairs invite you to relax and soak up the Florida sun with an unparalleled view of the volcano. It truly feels like you've found your own private beach on a distant South Pacific island, a place to gather with friends and family. For a calmer water experience, just next to the main beach is a more tranquil area called the Reef. This leisure pool offers a peaceful escape from the energy of the waves. It's a wonderful spot for a relaxed swim, offering a unique view of riders shooting through the clear tube of the Ko'okiri body plunge as they descend from the volcano. There is also another quiet spot called Puka Uli Lagoon, a serene pool designed for pure relaxation. These calmer areas ensure Wave Village has something for everyone. Ride the surf or float in peace and quiet. Wave Village is also the perfect place to set up a home base for your day. You can rent private cabanas here. Comfortable seating, a small refrigerator stocked with water, towel and locker service. It's also home to the Ohia Drop Slide and the Ono Drop Slide, 2 thrilling body slides that send you twisting and turning, then launching you several feet into the air to splash down into a deep pool below. If you're visiting Volcano Bay with your family, you will absolutely fall in love with River Village. This area is specifically designed for families to play together, with attractions that are perfect for all ages, from the smallest toddlers to grandparents. The heart of this village is the Kopiko Wai Winding River, a beautiful and gentle lazy river that takes you on a scenic journey through the park's tropical landscape. You'll float through lush greenery and even pass through the Stargazer's Cavern inside the Krakatau volcano, where the ceiling glitters with magical lights. It's a wonderfully relaxing experience for everyone in your group to enjoy together. For the little ones, River Village is a true paradise. It features 2 dedicated play areas that are safe, fun, and perfectly sized for them. Tot Tiki Reef is designed for toddlers, with shallow water, tiny fountains, and miniature water slides. Runamuka Reef, a larger 3-story water playground for young children. Bubbling geysers, water guns, dump cups, twisting slides. It's a place where kids can spend hours exploring and making new friends, all while their parents watch comfortably from nearby. Honu sweeps riders up massive, wall-like curves like you're riding a wave. Ika Moana is slightly tamer but full of twists and turns, perfect for families to share the laughter in one raft. For those who come to a water park seeking adrenaline and high-speed thrills, Rainforest Village is your destination. Tucked away in a lush green corner of the park, home to some of Volcano Bay's most intense, heart-pounding attractions. The energy here is palpable. You can hear excited screams and laughter echoing through the trees. Test your courage here and experience cutting-edge water slide tech. The rides get your heart racing. Fast drops, sharp turns, surprising elements that leave you breathless. One standout is Tiawa, the fearless river. Not your typical lazy river. A high-speed torrent that sends you surging on a fast current. You must wear a life vest for this one, navigating churning rapids and chopping waves. It feels like white water rafting without the raft. For group fun, try Maku Puihi round rafts. Maku spins 6-person rafts through a volcanic gorge into a massive funnel. Puihi sends you into a dark, winding tunnel, then blasts you into a zero-gravity drop. Rainforest Village also has the Taniwa tubes. Ride solo or with a partner. Each slide offers different turns and splashes, launching beneath charming tiki statues. The variety is the highlight. Saucer turn forces, zero-gravity weightlessness, wild rapids rush, all in one compact themed area, perfect for teenagers and adults seeking action, making each ride feel like an expedition into the unknown. The Great Krakatau volcano isn't just for show. It houses some of the most innovative and awe-inspiring rides in the entire park. The volcano area attractions are the pinnacle of water park engineering, combining speed, height, and storytelling in a way that is truly unforgettable. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Krakatau Aqua Coaster. This is not a slide, it's a true water coaster. It uses advanced linear induction motor technology to propel your 4-person canoe uphill and downhill through the volcano's misty interior. You'll rocket through dark tunnels, twist around other slides, before making a final, thrilling plunge into the pool below. For the ultimate thrill seeker, the volcano offers a trio of breathtaking drop slides that will test your nerve. The most famous of these is the Koakiri Body Plunge. This is one of the tallest body slides in America, starting with a 125-foot, 70-degree drop. You step into a small capsule at the top of the volcano. The floor drops out from beneath you, and you plummet straight down through the heart of Krakatau. It's an incredibly intense, heart-stopping experience, a true badge of honor. Right next to Koakiri are the Kala and Tai Nui serpentine body slides, also drop capsule slides, but with a twist. After the floor drops away, you hurtle down intertwining tubes that twist through the volcano before splashing into a calm pool. Riding side by side with a friend adds competitive fun. Finally, for a bit of friendly competition, the volcano is also home to the Punga Racers. This is a 4-lane racing slide where you lie head-first on a mat and launch yourself down through braided tubes. It's fantastic for groups, as you race to see who can reach the finish line first. The attractions within the volcano area are truly the crown jewels of the park, the perfect blend of extreme thrills and incredible theming. When the sun sets, Krakatau transforms. Daytime waterfalls give way to fiery red lava effects flowing down its slopes. This aquatique show makes the volcano look like it's erupting. It's a dramatic, beautiful sight, turning the park into a glowing, magical landscape. Seeing Krakatau at night is a different experience you must not miss, perfect for an evening swim or one last ride before you go. The volcano is the emotional heart of Volcano Bay, the power of nature, the spirit of adventure, and the central point of Waturi culture. When Volcano Bay first opened, One of its most talked about features was the TapuTapu wearable. This waterproof wristband was given to every guest upon entering the park. It was designed to revolutionize the water park experience. The main idea was to eliminate long physical lines. You could walk up to a ride, tap your wristband on a totem, and it would save your place in a virtual line. The TapuTapu would vibrate when it was your turn. Relax in the wave pool or grab a bite instead of standing in the hot sun. It was an interactive key to the island, spraying tiki statues, illuminating hidden images. You could even link a credit card to make cashless purchases. However, on very busy days, virtual lines could still be hours long, often limiting you to one big attraction at a time. Universal announced the TapuTapu system will be discontinued. Final day, October 1st, 2025. This marks the end of an interesting chapter. Visit before the date to still experience TapuTapu. After that, expect standard standby lines. A little bit of planning can go a long way, making your day at Volcano Bay absolutely perfect. My first and most important tip is to arrive early. The park often opens before the posted time. Be among the first. Grab a great spot on Waturi Beach. Ride popular attractions before lines grow, and enjoy a relaxed, uncrowded start. The Florida sun is less intense in the morning, perfect for exploring. Once inside, have a general idea of your must-do rides. If you're a thrill seeker, head to the back for the Krakatau Aqua Coaster first. Its line will be the longest all day. Then work through big slides in the Rainforest Village and the Volcano Village. With little ones, make your home base in River Village. Secure chairs near Runamuka Reef or the Kopiko Y Winding River. Check height requirements. Bring and reapply sunscreen. Stay hydrated. Bring sealed water bottles or purchase inside. Use lockers near the entrance for valuables. Enjoy the slides without worry. Finally, think about your swimwear. For high speed and drop slides like Koakiri Body Plunge, wear a secure, well-fitting swimsuit. Don't be adjusting your suit during the ride. As your amazing day at Volcano Bay comes to an end, with the sun setting behind the glowing Krakatau volcano, you'll realize you've experienced something far more than just a water park. You've stepped into a story. The park's theme, built around the legendary Waturi people and their island home. Every detail, the thatched roofs, bamboo structures, and friendly greetings from team members, works together to create a cohesive and immersive world. It's a place where you can scream with delight down a 125-foot slide, then moments later float peacefully in a calm lagoon. Families will find endless joy in the dedicated play areas and group raft rides, while thrill seekers have challenges to keep adrenaline pumping. The park's layout lets you craft the day you want, action-packed, completely relaxed, or a little bit of both. Remember the highlights: the breathtaking Krakatau, the innovative Krakatau Aqua Coaster, the heart-pounding Koakiri Body Plunge, and the family-friendly River Village. As TapuTapu retires in 2025, the park remains focused on what matters most: a fantastic and memorable guest experience. Look no further. Volcano Bay is waiting for you.